This is a fantastic screwdriver with 31 tips of different sizes, applicable to many kinds of screws. The handle is covered with rubber, which can enhance the friction force between your hand and the device, so you can hold it more tightly. Inside the tube, there is a magnet to fix the tips. Very fast. As magnetism is conductible, the magnet has another function, which is to stick the screw to the tips. So that you can twist the screw vertically into the tapping hole. I think it is the most special design of this screwdriver. Besides, the tips are made from stainless steel, which is very endurable. Thank you for watching, and good night.